What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this simple workflow on any 10 to generate endless content ideas for your YouTube channel or to create content for your various social media platforms. Let's get started. So this workflow grabs the videos that we've created on our channel and then generate content ideas from each and every single video and add the content ideas to our Airtable. You can see I have a video on how to create a stunning image design on Canva using Make. And here you can see the endless content ideas that is generated for us. So here when we expand this, you can see it generated 20 different content ideas that we can use to create more content from this video title on our channel, similar to all these other videos that we've created. So I have a video on how to automatically save email attachments to Google Drive using Make, and here is generated content idea topics from this title of one of our videos. So when we expand this, you can see it generated for us 20 different content idea topics that we can make videos on our channel or social media platforms. It's grabbing more than 130 YouTube video titles from the channel and generating 20 content ideas from each and every single YouTube video. So like on this one, we can expand and you can see it's generated 20 different content idea topics that we can use to generate content for YouTube or different social media platforms. I'm going to show you how to create this workflow to generate endless content ideas for your videos. To get started, on any 10 I've created a new workflow that I've renamed to YouTube content ideas workflow right here. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to scrape the titles of our videos that we've created on our channel. To do that, I'm going to use this tool called Apify. Apify is an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website or automate projects. So go ahead and create an account on Apify, and after creating an account, head over to Apify store. Here, we're going to search for the website that we would like to scrape. In our case, we'd like to scrape YouTube. So I'll search for YouTube and click on search. Here you can see we have over 240 tools that you can use to perform a particular action on YouTube. So I'm going to use this tool right here to scrape our channel. So I'll open this tool on a new tab. And this is the tool that we're going to use to scrape our YouTube channel. So here, we're going to add a link to our channel, which is this one right here. For the maximum videos per search, we can choose to only scrape, let's say 10 videos instead of 1,000. You can also choose the maximum shots per search or maximum streams per search right here. You can also do a channel sorting where you can sort via dates, videos from last days, or sort via popular, newest, or oldest videos. I'm going to choose to scrape 10 YouTube videos that are popular in my channel. To scrape our YouTube channel, I'm going to click on Save and Start. You can see that our tool is running and getting our data right here. Here, you can see that our tool succeeded in scraping 10 videos for us. It has scraped these 10 videos that are popular on my page right here. So we're getting the titles of the videos, the ID of the videos, the URL of the videos, the views count, date the video was posted, channel name, channel URL, number of subscribers, and the duration of each video. Now we can automate this process by creating a simple workflow on Any10 to get this data that we scraped right here to our workflow on Any10. Yeah, I'm going to click on API. Then it says get data set item, copy the link on our workflow. I'm going to search for HTTP. Click on the HTTP request right here. And here we're going to paste the URL right here and click on test tab. Here you can see we're getting our YouTube channel data right here. You can see we're getting the title of the video, duration, channel name, the username of the channel URL, the date the video was posted, URL of the video, the views, and all this relevant information that we're getting right here. There were 10 videos over here on this node. You can see the output is 10 times. The next thing we're going to do is, I'm going to delete this node so that we can automatically get our videos without having to paste our link over here. To do that, here we're going to use a webhook. So I'll search for webhook right here. Click on webhook. Here we're going to use the post method, and I'll copy the link to our webhook and click on book. I'll open it to listen for a test event, and then I'll go back to our tool on Apify. Here I'm going to close this. Then I'll click on integrations. Here I'll click on manage integration. Here I'll click on add integration. Here I'll search for webhook. Click on webhook right here. You can name our webhook to YouTube video title scraper and click on save. Here I would like to start when the run is succeeded. And then here we're going to paste our webhook URL that we just copied. And then here, click on save. Then to test it, I'll click on test. You can see the status was succeeded. So here you can see that our webhook was connected successfully. We've been getting a joke right here. That means our webhook was connected successfully. So now let's scrape our YouTube videos and get our data right here on our webhook. So to do that, I'll go back to our tool right here. Now we can scrape our 10 videos using our tool over here. See, our tool is running and getting our data right here. Here you can see we got our 10 videos. On our webhook, you can see we got our data right here. So here you can see we got our dataset ID over here. We can connect this node to our HTTP node, where I'll open this right here. Now, instead of hard coding our dataset ID right here, I'll delete this and drag the dataset ID from our webhook over here. Now, to get our videos, I'll click on test tab, and now you can see we're getting our videos over here. We're getting a total of 10 videos. So now we're automatically getting our videos after we've scraped them using our tool over here. So I'll rename this to get YouTube videos node, and then click on rename. Our YouTube videos over here, we can go ahead and add the YouTube videos to a table that we've created on Airtable. So on Airtable, I've created a database that I've named to content ideas base. Here, I've created this table. Here's where we're going to add our YouTube video titles. And then we're going to use AI to generate content idea topics from our YouTube video title. So let's first of all add the YouTube video titles over here. Here, I'll click on this node, and then I'll search for Airtable. Click on Airtable. Here, we're going to create a record. Here, you'll need to create a credential. Click on create a new credential. Here, you'll need your access token. To get your access token on your database, click on your profile, then click on build a hub. You'll need to create your personal access tokens right here. By clicking on create token, here you'll name your token. You'll add a scope. You can add these scopes over here. You can just add all of them and then come back later and filter the ones that you like to add over here. Then you can add the base and choose all current and future bases in all current and future workspaces. Then here, after giving your token a name, click on create token. Then after you've created your token, you're going to copy it and come and paste it right here and click on save, and your connection will be created. Since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close over here and choose my base over here. Our base is a content idea base. Here we're going to choose the table. I'm going to choose the YouTube content ideas table. Here we're going to add the videos, the video titles over here. So I'll drag the YouTube titles over here. And now to add the titles, I'll just click on test tab. You can see we added our 10 titles over here. Now let us generate content idea topics from each and every single YouTube video title over here. So I'll go back to our workflow. This module we're adding YouTube titles, so I'll rename this to YouTube titles. We're going to use AI to generate our content idea topics from our YouTube video titles. So here I'll search for OpenAI. Click on OpenAI. Here I'll click on message a model node. Like we did previously with other nodes, you'll also need to create a credential with the OpenAI node. Clicking on create a new credential, then from OpenAI add your API key right here and click on save to create your credential. Then after creating a credential, choose the model that you like to use. I like to use a 4.0 mini, and then we can add a prompt. I'm going to get the prompt from our previous workflow that we created right here. So I'll open it. So the prompt can say you're an intelligent research assistant. Paste it right here. And add the prompt for the user role. So I'll click on expression, then expand this right here. And then we can source this prompt from our node over here. And go back to our node and then paste our prompt over here. So the prompt is on the lines of, here are my YouTube video titles on my channel. Generate a list of high viral potential YouTube video topic ideas based on the most watched video on my channel. The video titles are ranked from most watched to least watched, and the topics should be designed to maximize virality, audience engagement, and value. Each topic should either solve a common problem, educate viewers, or provide immense value. The content should focus on automation, specifically using make.com, N8N, and building AI agents on N8N. Use the YouTube video titles from the provided link as a source of inspiration. If generating multiple ideas from a single title, outline them in a list format. The output should be a list of topic ideas only, without explanations, additional information, or symbols, just the raw topic ideas. So this could be the example prompt. Now, after testing your workflow, you can tweak the prompt to ensure that it's generating exactly what you're looking for. But for now, I'm going to use this as our prompt. So I'll go back over here. You can leave everything as is. And then how to generate our content topics. I'm just going to click on test step. You can see it's executing the node. Our node was successfully executed, and here it generated more than 10 content ideas from our YouTube video title. Now, I'll click on tables. You can see the number of content ideas topics that it generated for us from this specific YouTube video title. So it generated a total of 15 content idea topics from this one video title. Same with the other YouTube video title, generated a total of 15 topics. This one generated a total of 20 topics right here. Similar to this one over here. This is also 20. This is also 20. These are also 20 topic ideas you can use to make videos for YouTube or other social media platforms. So here, I'll rename this to Content Ideas Generator and click on Rename. Now we can add the content idea topics to our Content Ideas Topics column on Airtable. So to do that, I'll add a node, search for Airtable, click on Airtable. Here we're going to update the record. We're going to choose our base. Our base is a Content Ideas base. Here we're going to choose a table. Here we're going to choose the YouTube Content Ideas table. Here we'll add the ID, which is this ID right here, drag it right here. And now we're now going to add the YouTube video title. Since we've already added them using this node right here. So the only thing we're going to add is the content idea topics. So I'll drag the content idea topics right here. You can even see right here is a list of 15 titles right here. Now let us add the content idea topics of each YouTube video title on our channel. This table on your table. So to do that, I'll just click on test step. Added the content idea topics to our table on Airtable. To view all the idea topics, all you have to do is just click on expand to see the content idea topics that it generated for us over here on each and every single YouTube video title. So if it's this video, you want to see the content ideas it generated for you, just click on expand, and here you're going to see the content idea topics right here. Go back to our canvas, and here I'll rename this to content ideas. Here to test our workflow, we can choose to generate content idea topics from our most unpopular videos. So here, I'll click on test workflow to test it. And then I'll go back to our tool, click on actor. And here, since we're filtering since we're sorting by popular, we can sort either by oldest or newest. So I'll click on newest videos. And then here I'll click on save and start to scrape our newest videos titles. And then we're going to use those video titles to generate our content ideas using AI. So here you can see we only have a total of 10. So we're expecting 10 more videos. So here, he successfully scraped our recent videos over here. Now on our workflow, we got our videos. Here are the videos, the 10 videos, then we added them to our Airtable. Now we're using AI to generate content ideas topics that we're going to add to our Airtable. So on Airtable, you can see we already added the 10 YouTube video titles of our recent videos on the channel. Now we're generating the content idea topics from the YouTube video titles that we're going to add to our content idea topics over here. You can see it's doing. Our workflow ran successfully. Here you can see we added the content idea topics that it generated for us from our recent videos. So our recent video that I just posted was how to automate an entire Google Ads agency in minutes using make.com. It generated for us 20 content idea topics from the video. So here you can build custom notification for your Google Ads in real time using any 10. So these are content idea topic. Another content idea topic could be top 5 automations every Google Ads agency needs to implement today. My YouTube video title over here. For the YouTube video with the title How to Automate Your Call Outreach Agency in Minutes with Make.com, it generated for us 15 content idea topics. Top 5 automation hacks for call outreach success with Make.com. So that could be a content idea topic that we can make a feature video on, similar to all these 15 content idea topics. Our workflow works perfectly. And this is how I generate endless content idea topics for my YouTube channel. I scrape popular videos or the newest videos on my channel using this tool on Amplify. And then here we're getting the YouTube video titles of my recent videos or the most popular videos on the channel. And then we're getting the YouTube video titles on our workflow and then adding the YouTube video titles to our content idea topics database. on Airtable. Then we're using the titles to generate content idea topics of each and every single YouTube video. Then we add in the content ideas that we just generated to our content idea topics column on Airtable. On our content ideas database, here we add in the YouTube video titles that we just scraped with the generated content idea topics of each and every single YouTube video. For this YouTube video title, we generated a total of 15 content idea topics right here, similar to this video title, where we generated a total of 15 content idea topics over here. So our workflow works perfectly, and this is how I get endless content idea topics from the videos on my channel. If you have a workflow or an AI agent that you would like for me to create on any time, just comment down below in the comment section. And if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire workflow or AI agent on any 10 from scratch. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.